Hi, welcome to Coco's Crafts. In this video, we are going to make a miniature plant and a pot. We're going to be following this pattern. You can download it for free in the description below the video. Let's start with the 3 pieces of big leaves. Glue 3 pieces onto a paper. Here I'm using a cardstock paper. The front face of the leaves will be the cardstock side. We will put the cardstock paper face up. Here I got 3 colors: green, black, and white. As the big leaves normally are dark green, here we mix the green with a little bit black. Now we flip the paper over to paint the back of the leaves. As the back of the leaves normally are a little bit lighter color than the front, just add a little bit white into it. So we use this paint to paint the back, and here is our front. Here we're going to do the medium leaves. Cut and glue. For the middle leaves, we just use the original green. Don't forget to flip your paper to paint. Now can you see the color difference? Now we flip over to paint the back of the leaves. Just add a little bit white into it. Use the same method for the little leaves. So we cut, glue, and flip over to paint. For the small leaves, we'll use original green, add a little bit white. Now we have 3 different shades of color. And flip over and finish the back of the little leaves. Add a little bit white. Cut all the 9 leaves. After you cut the leaves, make sure to paint the edges. Let's paint the veins. I'm using a white ink pen. We will use the back of the brush to curl the leaves. I'm putting a coat of mud Podge on the leaf to give it a shine. For the stem, I'm using a thin steel wire. Cut them like this. Bend the wires. Use the hot glue to connect the stem and the leaves. Paint the stem with the green paint. Don't forget the back of the leaves. We will leave it to dry. Meanwhile, we're going to make a flower pot. I'm using a carbon paper to transfer the pattern on the cereal box. Cut and glue onto a piece of paper. We will trim as shown. Next, we cut one side of the triangle. Use a knife to score the bottom of the pot. Put the glue on each of the triangle spots. Glue the side of the pot together. We will use the same method to transfer this triangle shape onto the cereal box. Glue it on a piece of paper. Cut each piece as shown. Bend the paper for easy gluing. Here is the shape of the pot. I painted the pot in a dark gray. You can paint any color you like. I use gold paint for the trims. Fill the pot with hot glue up to ½ centimeter to the top. While we're waiting for the glue to be halfway solid, we will get the dirt ready. I use instant coffee for the dirt. Slightly crush it with your fingers. Pack it down. Shake off the extra dirt. Arrange the leaves from bottom to top. Start with the small leaves. Here is the finished project. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time.